In the landmark moment for Unity State, Governor Justice Bimtop made a story by becoming the first governor to visit Panjshir County, an area that has been cut off from essential service since South Sudan is independent. This unprecedented visit represents a significant shift in the relationship between the state government and its isolated county. Governor Bim's arrival was met with overwhelming enthusiasm. Thousands of residents from Nuang Nuer community gathered at the county headquarters. The atmosphere was electric with songs of joy and jubilation filling the air as people celebrate the long-awaited arrival of their leader. For the people of Panjshir, this day marked the end of years of neglect and a new beginning filled with hope and promise. In his address to crowd, Governor Bim acknowledged the hardship the county has faced due to years of isolation. Today marked a turning point for Panjshir.